a dear friend told me that it is okay to speak for me, but it is not okay. It is not okay to sit down an hour and write a piece of blog content for my own blog. She said, for my own blog, I cannot write content. Maybe I have to hire a content writer. Well, the good news is, my friend, you don't have to hire a content writer. You can do it by yourself. So for content writing, that is for non-content writers and who are good at speaking, I'm going to tell you 4 ways how you can create content and write a beautiful blog post. Okay, so come with me. So this is content writing for non-content writers, right? So this happens only when you sit down to write. Your mind freeze. There is a mind freeze and you are frozen. You cannot write. There is so much of ideas flying around, and then you're worried about your sentence construction. You're worried about the tone and voice of your text. So forget about all that. You can speak, right? Speak, record your voice, and then transcribe it. Hire a freelancer to transcribe it. Okay, so what do you mean by hiring a freelancer to transcribe? Transcribe means scribe, means writing. So transcribe means transwrite. You give your voice note to the freelancer and ask him to write. That is one way of doing it. Okay, it still costs you a little bit of money. One way in which you don't have to pay, the second way, that is the second way, you don't have to pay a penny if you are using Gboard. That's my second tool. Okay, so if you are using Gboard is an application by Google. It is a voice to text. It's a voice to text software. Okay, app. It's a voice to text app. So you give your voice little by little as you speak. The software Gboard will convert it into text, raw plain text. This is the second possibility. You can use either on iOS or on Android phone. Just install Gboard and start inputting your voice into the app. Okay, and this app is so wonderful that you can just open your Gmail or any note-taking device, note-taking app on your phone, and just call the Gboard and then click on the mic and start dictating. So this is a dictation tool, right? Practically this is a dictation tool. So you dictate, and while dictating, have a look on the text that comes out of it. It does a pretty good job with Indian English and even with regional languages. My regional language is Malayalam. It does a pretty good job with even Malayalam text that I speak. That voice to text is also pretty good in quality. So English is excellent quality. So you can rely on it. I have seen advocates using Gboard. Okay, advocates have a special way of constructing sentences where there are sub-sentences or sub-clauses, right? So they use it very, very well. They use it as a dictation device. We can use it. You being busy entrepreneurs, you can use it, right? So it doesn't cost you anything. Install Gboard in your phone and then just start dictating. The best thing about Gboard, I'm a huge fan of Gboard. Some of my friends who are writers, actual writers of novels and film field, they also use Gboard. Whenever the idea strikes them, they open the email and then start dictating. Start dictating immediately. This is something that they do so that they don't forget those ideas, right? So Gboard, it's a wonderful device. You have to try this. The best thing about Gboard is that you can use it even with WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, if you don't have time, instead of sending a voice message, you can hit the mic icon and it will transcribe your voice to text, and then you can send that as a message. The problem with voice message in WhatsApp is that it's a black box. You don't, unless you hear it, you don't know what it is about, right? So instead of doing that, you can employ Gboard to transcribe your voice to note. This is a very powerful tool, and I want you to try this for your own content creation. Okay. The third possibility is rev.com. It's called rev.com. Okay. And rev.com is a wonderful online service provider which provides you per minute $1.25. So supposing you have a 10-minute voice clip of your content, just send it, upload it to rev.com, and you will be charged for 1,000 rupees. You will be charged 1,000 rupees for a 10-minute video. That's their rate. Now, what about the quality of the content? The quality of the content would be good because the price is on slightly higher edge. You also have a slightly lower quality, but I will not suggest that. You will have to edit the text quite a bit. But if you are game for it, for 1,000 rupees, you will have a pretty decent transcription of your voice to text, which you can use on your blog and edit it a little bit. Do all your magic, you do the voodoo that you do the best, right? So you can add your magic, you can change it a little bit and upload it and publish your blog. Okay. Now the fourth tool that I'm going to talk about is keyword generator. There is a tool called keyword generator of Google. Google has this tool which you can just type in Google keyword generator and you will get hit upon Google's keyword generator. What it does is you just give your keyword, like for example, my keyword is content writer. Okay, Google will give you so many different permutations and combinations of these two keywords. These two words together for me is my keyword. Okay, my keyword may have 2 words, 3 words, or multiple words. Still it is my keyword. Okay, so this is one crucial concept that you should understand. So I just give content writer, and Google gives me hell a lot of different words that are related to content writing. Content writer, salary of a content writer, content writing tools, content writing tips, so on and so forth. Okay, so what you can do is, if you sit down to write a blog, instead of recording your voice, just go to Google keyword generator and see the amazing number of keywords that are suggested by Google keyword generator. And using those keywords, you can develop content around those keywords. Okay. It will also give you amazing number of questions also. Those questions you can also use as part of your natural text. So these are the natural questions asked by the users of Google. You can use them, employ those questions in your text and say and make it conversational. You write the question there, type the question there, and then you type your answer to it. Whatever comes to your heart, whatever solution that you can come up with, just write it. Okay. So if you have questions, so look at interviews. If you're asked a question, you have a definite answer for it, right? You can answer it in a much better way. So think about it as interview questions. Think about it as content helpers that you can rely on. Use those words, use those questions to create content around it. So what you have a cloud of content helping content that helps you to build content. So that is the best part of Google keyword generator. I want you to really go in there and sign up for Google Keyword Generator and see the magic that you can do with it. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.